As you saw, lesbian is in the name, and we have a great story about Stephanie Vasquez and how she sent me one of, if not the best, card bifold wallet I've ever reviewed on Walletopia. Today's review is a leather bifold from Lesbianedc Leatherworks. It checked all the boxes for me, and you'll love this story. I love packaging like this. It just brings all kinds of aesthetics to life. We've got the different leather that is in the wallet on here on the outside. This is just really clever. Stephanie's done a great job here. Let's open this up and get into the wallet. So right here, take this off. Nice box for her. Oh, very nice. Yes, I love supporting small makers. So let's take a look. Got a cotton bag and let's see. Tissue paper. Oh boy, this is beautiful. Fantastic shell Cordovan on the outside. Quick access card slot here. We'll talk about this leather. You can see the feature. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. A few months back, I was replying to comments on one of the videos that you and the community were talking about. And there was a conversation going on regarding Lesbianedc wallets and how great they were. Stephanie was involved and it made me curious, so I reached out to her to start a wallet order. And so started a wonderful email conversation. In the end, you'll agree that this wallet is amazing, but so is her journey. If we look at the features, on the exterior of this wallet, we do have a quick access card slot here. Capacity of 1 to 2 cards. If we go to the interior, we can see that we've got 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 card slots. These back two could be used for cash as well. Capacity of 1 to 3 cards each, and probably 5+ notes folded once or twice to get where you want to be with this wallet. What a fantastic wallet. It measures 4 by 3 by 0.6 and it weighs 67 grams. Ooh, a lot of leather goodness there. Back in 2016, Stephanie discovered the world of everyday carry via a what's in my pocket type video. We've all seen those. Walking through each of those items herself, she discovered that when she saw the wallet and how worn it was, showing the life it had lived with beautiful patina, she fell in love with not only wallets, but all things leather and all the possibilities that come with it. So why and when did she start making wallets? As you see, I got 6 cards in there, including this quick access card. Minimalist carry is probably 4 cards. Reasonable, I think, is 8. And I got quite a bit of currency in here, too. Folded only once, which is what we really love. I didn't try to put in the yen or the higher currency or denomination euros because they're just too big. You'd have to fold them twice. And so, it handled it very, very well. 10 slips of cash. I mean, that is a lot for this wallet, and it really, no issues. After having seen everything she could on YouTube, she opened up an Instagram and YouTube account to begin reviewing and engaging in what she was seeing being released into the market. Wanting to connect with others in the LGBTQ community, she started with the social media handle of Lesbianedc. Designed and made in the United States, the exterior is made of this dark green Horween shell Cordovan, with the exterior card slot made from a reversed raw natural Horween shell. As I mentioned earlier, because I can't talk enough about leather, the interior is a chestnut-colored butero from the Conceria Walpiere tannery in Italy.
Finest Italian leather.
Hand-stitched using a cream-colored Japanese Vinimo thread, which has been treated with beeswax for added durability. You can just see how well this is stitched. Straight. I love the smaller stitch that's in here. It just adds a lot of refinement to this particular wallet. And I think in general, especially when you're dealing with high quality shell Cordovan like we are. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. And then on top of that, we have these burnished edges. These are high gloss burnished edges. And I love the fact that you see the layers of leather. Ben Bott does the same thing with his. I love it. It's a personal favorite of mine.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
It's priced for $225. Now, there is a non-shell version using Minerva, Butera, Pueblo, Dakota, those kinds of leathers that comes in at $125. For the amount of shell Cordovan involved in this, I'm really going to say this is a reasonable price. Now, often shell Cordovan can be stiff, but it also can be flexible, and this is incredibly flexible, easy to work with. It just has the right amount of weight in this particular cut. Now, that allows all this to break in quickly and to provide a great experience for you. And with the cards and cash, insertion extraction is really so good. It just goes in easily right here, just slips in. Wow, it's just amazing what you get essentially out of the pouch with this wallet. In the final part of Stephanie's journey of discovery, she was describing the perfect wallet she wanted to make to a friend, and he suggested she start her own leather making company. After thoughtful consideration, she picked up some tools and began to learn the craft. And what you see today is Stephanie's vision, talent, and developed skills in this area. She also enjoys working with each customer to bring out what they're looking for in the wallet, which for me was really a pleasure and something I would recommend to anybody when you have that opportunity. And as an openly gay woman in a very traditional, male-centric community, she's been very welcomed. We know that the leather making community can be very tight, but it's also very welcoming. And with the amazing makers in this community who love the craft they all participate in, this is not surprising and reinforces the love of leather and camaraderie that joins people from all over the world from diverse backgrounds. And now on to the final score, and if you like this review, take a look at the next video. Quality of 5. We know why. Shell Cordovan, fantastic Italian leather. This is amazing. Price of 3. For all the shell you get in this, that's a reasonable price. Features of 4. The addition of the quick access for this type of design, I think, makes it very functional. Usability of 5. Access to cards and cash is easy. The wallet is almost virtually broken in, but it's still brand new. And perception of 4. That gives us an amazing score of 44 out of 50. This puts this at the top with many other great wallets. Looking for other amazing wallets? Start with this next video here. I don't think you will be disappointed. Oh yeah.